Hello and welcome to Health is Wealth. Get ready to unlock the hidden potential of a common kitchen ingredient, baking soda. From its cleaning prowess to its health and beauty benefits, we're here to explore the incredible versatility of baking soda. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just curious about its magic, you're in for a treat. Smash that like button and subscribe to join our journey into the world of baking soda. So let's get started. Cleaning agent. Baking soda is an effective and gentle abrasive cleaner. It can be used to clean surfaces, sinks, countertops, and even stubborn stains on pots and pans. Deodorizer. Baking soda helps neutralize odors by absorbing them. It can be used in shoes, refrigerators, carpets, and even as an ingredient in homemade air fresheners. Personal care. Baking soda can be used as a natural alternative for personal care. It can be added to baths to soothe skin irritations or as a gentle exfoliant in facial scrubs. Teeth whitening. Baking soda's mild abrasive properties make it useful for removing surface stains from teeth. It's often found in toothpaste and can be used as a DIY toothpaste ingredient. Heartburn relief. Consuming a small amount of baking soda mixed with water in moderation can help alleviate occasional heartburn by neutralizing stomach acid. Cooking aid. Baking soda is a leavening agent in baking. It releases carbon dioxide when mixed with acidic ingredients, helping dough rise in baked goods. Fire extinguisher. Baking soda can smother small grease fires by releasing carbon dioxide when heated, suppressing flames. Insect bites and stings. A paste made from baking soda and water can help relieve itching and discomfort caused by insect bites and stings. Extinguishing grease fires. Baking soda can help smother small grease fires by releasing carbon dioxide when heated, cutting off oxygen supply to the fire. Cleaning fruits and vegetables. Baking soda can be used to wash fruits and vegetables by gently scrubbing and rinsing them, helping to remove dirt and some pesticides. Laundry booster. Adding baking soda to your laundry can help boost the effectiveness of your detergent, soften water, and remove odors from clothes. Mouthwash alternative. Baking soda can be mixed with water to create a mouthwash that helps neutralize odors and maintain oral hygiene. Relieving itchy skin. Adding baking soda to a bath can provide relief from itchy skin conditions like sunburn, poison ivy, and allergic reactions. Jewelry cleaner. Baking soda can be used to create a paste to gently clean and shine jewelry without causing damage. Unclogging drains. Baking soda combined with vinegar can help break down and clear minor clogs in drains. Thanks for joining us today on our baking soda adventure. We hope you've discovered the incredible ways this simple ingredient can enhance various aspects of your life. From fresher spaces to sparkling smiles, baking soda has your back. If you enjoyed this exploration, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep experimenting, stay curious, and embrace the magic of baking soda.